How's it going, guys? This is Henry here. I just want to show you real quick how to actually go in and update a post that you've already boosted. As you can see right here, I boosted this post, and it actually won't let me go back and edit it now. So if you find a typo later on, I found that, or you just want to update it, you're not actually able to. And I can show you right here. This is a post I haven't boosted, so you can see you can go in and edit. I can swap out the photos if I want to, add a new photo, delete the old photos, and even update the entire description. I'll show you what I've done on one post down here. Actually, is I went ahead and swapped out all the content on here. So I made a whole new description for it. All these 4 photos were not the original photos, so I went and added 4 new photos and deleted the old 4. I did that because you can see on here I just have a ton of positive reviews and comments and whatnot. So that's like a ton of social proof right there, and I really wanted to reuse it. So what you do is you'll actually go into your ad center, and you can see right here, this is all the ads I've run. This does not work for smart campaigns, unfortunately, because that's not an actual post. But for boosted posts, what you'll want to do is you'll come in, you'll find the ad that you ran for that right here. So you can see this is the ad I ran for it. You actually can't go in and edit that. You can't. You can edit the budget, stuff like that, but you can't actually edit the content of the ad. So what you do is you'll go in and you just want to delete when it loads. Sorry. Give me a second here. Computer's not cooperating with me. Yeah, so you want to click view results and go in and just delete the ad entirely. Just like that. If you have multiple ads set up for it, you need to delete all of the associated ads to it. And you just exit out. It's already gone, so you can see right here, view results, it's not available. Come on now. But I'll show you, there's one. This one I have 3 or 4 ads associated with it, so you actually need to go in and delete that one, and you'll need to delete all the other ones. See, I have 3 down here that I ran for the same post. So if you have multiple ones for it, you'll just need to go in and delete all of the ones associated with it. And then here, if you come back, it takes a second sometimes, but if you just give it a good refresh, come on now. Here we go. So see, now you can come in and you can edit it actually. So you can edit it. I can come in, I can delete all that, write a whole new title. I can also come in. It won't actually let you add a photo if there's only one photo. You saw in the one with 2, you can add multiple photos. If you go on mobile, though, it will let you add and delete photos if you only have one. So that's what I did there. And then, like I said, you basically have a whole new ad that you can make with the same comments and stuff like that. So I think it's really helpful. One, if you find a typo, but also for social proof and whatnot. You can see I just have a ton on here. You cannot beat that. That's like they get a whole they're looking at your Google reviews right there. Just on the post itself. So I thought that was helpful, and I figured I'd share with you guys. If you guys need any help or anything like that, just shoot me a message. I'll be glad to help you out.